Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Untitled Java. In this video, we will see about Amazon Web Services. What is Amazon Web Service? It is a secure cloud services platform, offering computing power, database storage, content delivery, and other functionality to help businesses scale and grow. It is a comprehensive, evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon.com. Web services are sometimes called cloud services or remote computing services. It is a bundled remote computing service that provides cloud computing infrastructure over the internet with storage, bandwidth and customized support for application programming interfaces, API. Types of service provided by AWS. There are so many services provided by AWS of the services listed below. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, AC2. Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS. Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3. Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS. Amazon Cloud Watch. AWS Cloud Formation. Amazon Redshift. Let's explore Java SDK provided by AWS. Need to add below dependency or AWS Java SDK jar file. Need access and a secret key of AWS account. Below keys are just an example. Let's create a new Java project. Make it simple. Project name should be Amazon Web Service. Convert this to Maven project. Now need to add Maven dependency for AWS Java SDK. Let's search the dependency. Copy this and paste it in POM XML file. Let's create a new package. Make it simple. Package ends with AWS service. Create one more package for utility-related classes. Create one more package for constant. Create one class for constant. This time we will keep two constants, one for access key and other for secret key. Look for examples, so let's open Amazon website. But in real-time scenario, you should use actual keys. As I told earlier, these keys are just sample. Now create a new class for AWS Utils. Now we will see how to use basic AWS credentials to validate keys. Now create a new class called AWS Service. In this video, we will create a base, so next video we can directly use Amazon services. We start with Amazon EC2. If you know something about AWS, then you know about the region concept. Like whatever you create using AWS services, you can choose a region. And there is the list of region AWS used, so we need details as per the region. Whatever we want for everything, there is a method available. Let's create one more class called Service Client Utils. In this class, we will manage all the AWS services. We are trying to create a base so it will help when we try to access any service. Once Service Client is available, then we can access any details about any AWS service. That's it for this video. In the next video we will see details about Tech2 and many more services. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.